How to fix Xbox One is not working with Ethernet cable. 1. Basic tips. Check and replace your Ethernet cable, if needed. Hint, try Cat 7. 2. Update Xbox One. Hat, profile and system settings. System updates. Update console. 3. Power cycle Xbox One. 4. Clear alternate MAC address. Hat, settings network advanced settings alternate MAC address. 5. Check your NAT type. Hat, profile and system settings general network settings advanced settings alternate port selection. 6. Backup then, reset your Xbox One console. 7. Take your Xbox One console to repair.